Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. So no real change over yesterday. We are actually just more defined inside the range. So I'll give you the levels shortly, but we're basically picking up pin bar, swing high, and the high. So oscillator's not giving us any indication. Nothing's really giving us any indication, except there is this little potential flat top triangle, or we are coming to the edge of the channel for a breakdown. I would prefer a breakdown, to be honest, and I'm just going to put a little bit more structure in here. I'd prefer a breakdown onto some solid structure, and this area at 18,650 to me is fairly strong, and then just below it there's quite a bit of structure as well. But yeah, we never really know what the market's going to do we? And 3R doesn't change the picture. Look at the oscillators all over the place. The levels, you can see the chaos now. This diagonal trend line is very much in play, and I'm very reluctant to be looking for longs off any one of these three levels that I've drawn to the downside. To me, this is a break and retest only. Otherwise, you're gonna see us rolling, form a flag or something else down to structure lower down. And when you look at the 1 hour, you'll see exactly that. So this little squirt below came back, closed inside bar, not quite off any level. As we can argue, it came down to this level at 18,784. We'll look at that at the lower time frames. But for me, we need to clear 18,975 and retest for me to go long. Not interested in going long on any of these levels at the moment, because that would break this diagonal trend line, and often when that happens, it tends to hurt. In other words, jump in long here when you've got diagonal support. It does tend to hurt. And when you look at this in the 15-minute, you can see we did break below it, so we got a close below it. We just didn't reject it again on the 15-minute. So fairly decent 15-minute potential entry, but because we broke a diagonal, I wouldn't have taken that at all. So yeah, same story for me today. Well, just a little bit of a different story for me today. Not interested in the levels below. I'm not even going to give them to you. I'm only interested in a break of 18,975. Break, retest, pin bar, inside bar, engulfing bar. That gets me long. Anything other than that, I will wait for proper structure or a reset of sort before looking for the next opportunity to the upside. That's it for me today. Short and sweet. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.